Dear students, let us start our 65th lesson, and today's topic is Inklings from the Dark. Inklings from the Dark, it's a poem by Rahman Rahi, a well-known Kashmiri poet. It's originally written in Kashmiri, and in Kashmiri the title of this poem is Paichu Zulmat Wuzan. Zulmat means darkness. This poem has been translated into English by Professor J.R. Malik. Let us now have a look at the biographical information of the original writer of this poem, Rahman Rahi. Rahman Rahi was born in 1925. He is the most outstanding modern Kashmiri poet. So, modern Kashmiri poet, and he is among the he's regarded as the most outstanding, most we can say prominent modern Kashmiri poet. He was a former professor of Kashmiri at the University of Kashmir, and he taught, that means he taught there Kashmiri, and also a professor emeritus at University of Kashmir. This is actually it is a title awarded to retired professors who retires after 10 years full-time equivalency in the rank of professor or associate professor, and who have made an exceptional contribution in academic leadership, including their dedicated achievement in the field of study. So this is a title, and this title has been attributed to Professor Rahi. Professor Rahman Rahi is the recipient or receiver of numerous literary awards. That means so many literary awards have been conferred to him. The Sahitya Academy Award, Kabir Saman Award, and in this list, the American-based Irfan Katwari Foundation Award is also included, and also the Gyan Peeth Award. He is the first and so far the only Kashmiri writer on whom Sahitya Academy has conferred its fellowship. Up to this time, we say. Rahman Rai, he is the author of several books of poetry and criticism, and he has written maximum of his works in Kashmiri, but there are some works of him, they are also in English. So no doubt he is basically known as the modern Kashmiri poet, but he has also written some works in English himself. Now, coming to the translator of this poem, let us have a look at his life. Professor J.R. Malik. He was born in 1945. He did his MA from Kashmir University in 1965, and then his BA from Kashmir University in 1965, and then his Masters in Arts from Kashmir University in 1968, and in 1985 he did his PhD, doctorate in English literature from Kashmir University. He worked as head of Foreign Language Institute and also as director of English Language Teaching Center, and also as professor in charge at University Library at the University of Kashmir. He was also former HOD, head of department of English department at the University of Kashmir. Professor J.R.I., he is the best known Kashmiri literary critic of English literature. So, as a we can say critic, he is well known. He is famous for no for criticism, for his criticism of English literature. He has great command of Kashmiri, Urdu, Persian, and English languages, and has working knowledge of Arabic. He has numerous works to his credit. A few among them are, we can say, just a few essays on Oriental aesthetics, Aga Shahid Ali, Ghani, Said Ali Hamdani, and besides, we can say his writings on prose or on poetical writings include Sarud Seher Afreen and The Bloody Horizon, Iqbal's response to the West, and it is considered to be a great work on Iqbal criticism, and also a study on comparative literature. His major work, Iqbal and the English Romantics, it must be ranked amongst the few best doctoral works of humanities departments in the University of Kashmir till date. So this is all about Professor G.R. Malik, well known, we can say, um, literary critic of English literature, Kashmiri literary critic of English literature, and a well known writer. So, this is for today, and in our next lesson, we will discuss the poem in detail. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Have a great day.